All right, happy Friday, percussion. Get out rhythm chart 12. We're on line 2 now, okay? Rhythm chart 12, line 2, measures 1 through 2 of that line, okay? All right, let's write in the counts, shall we? All right, the first two beats of those two measures, simple. You have 1 and 2 and. All big numbers. Cool? Should look like this so far. 1 and 2 and. All right? And then we have that new measure, or the new beat that we have there, right? The one that we are learning this week. All right. Starts on beat 3, right? That's the next number. Big 3. And then we have and. And then a big 4 to end it with that chord note, okay? That's what it looks like. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. Cool. All right. Let's count the full measure, okay? This whole measure. Cool. Let's count it with the metronome. 1, 2, ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 with the pulse, okay? 1, 2, ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. Good job. One more time. 1, 2, ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. Good job. All right, bop it. 1, 2, bop it, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. Good job. Now, bopping it, let's do measure 1 and 2. So basically that measure twice, okay? We're on line 2, doing the first two measures. 1, 2, bopping it, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. Good job. One more time. 1, 2, ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. While you're counting it, make sure you're lining up with my counts and you're good to go, okay? All right, let's talk about sticking now, okay? Again, with the right hand stick lead, we're starting with the right hand, okay? With those eighth notes, we have right, left, right, left. So keep that into account. And then beat 3, we have that rhythm, okay? So starting with the right hand, obviously. And then we have the right again, and then left, okay? So from what you see here, that's what we have. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left. Beat 3 because of the stick hand or the right hand stick lead. Yeah? If there was an E, the 3E and a, 3E and a, the E would be with the left hand. That's why the and is with the right, okay? Right, right, left. And then, of course, on beat 4, we end with the right. So that's what we're going to be doing for those two measures, okay? Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. Cool? All right. Let's say it one more time, and then we will play it, okay? Say it, bopping it. 1, let me get this out, sorry. 1, 2, ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. Good job. Play just that first measure, just one measure, okay? 1, 2, ready, play. And like I said, if you need to say it while you're playing it, and if it helps you, please do so, okay? I'm going to do it this time, okay? All right, we're playing it. I'm going to be counting as well, okay? 1, 2, that measure, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. Again, 2, ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. Good job. Now, play two measures, okay? We're on line 2, just the first two measures. Basically, that measure twice, okay? 1, 2, ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. Keeping in mind that sticking. Right, right, left, right. Cool? Again, playing it. 1, 2, again, and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. Cool. Good job. Now let's do chart 12, the first 6 measures, okay? From line 1 to where we just stopped, okay? Measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, counting it first, okay? Bopping it. First 6 measures. 1, 2, ready, and 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. All right, we're going to do that one more time right after I explain a little bit, okay? So chart 12, the first 2 measures, you're seeing that, well, scratch that. Chart 12, you're seeing that these 16th note rhythms are jumping from beat to beat, right? So the first 2 measures, those 16th note rhythms are on beat 1. Measures 3 and 4, they're on beat 2, right? Measures 5 and 6, they're on beat 3, okay? Something you probably already observed. It's just good to note, okay? All right, counting it one more time. First 6 measures. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. Let's play it, okay? Play. 1, 2, ready, and 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. Every time you have that 8th note, 16th note rhythm, make sure you're sticking it correctly. Right, right, left. Right, right, left. Cool? One more time, and then we'll be done with the rhythm chart for today. Okay? 1, 2, ready, play. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4. Good job. All right. We pick up with that for next week. Thank you. All right, percussion. To end today's lesson, we're going to do some mini scales again. We're going to add one, okay? We're doing circle fifths here, circle fourths. So we are starting with C, again, with 0 sharps or flats, okay? And then we're going to go to G, which has 1 sharp, and that's F sharp. And then we're going to go to D, which has 2 sharps. F sharp, and then adding on C sharp, okay? So we're doing it like that because obviously we're adding on stuff. We're adding on, sharps. I shouldn't say stuff. That's not technical term. So C major, cookie major mini scale, cool, with 0 sharps. Then go to G, which has 1 sharp, and then D, which has 2 sharps, okay? So you can find that again at the YouTube page, Jackson Bands, okay? Go on to the playlists, find the mini scales for percussion, and then do those 3 scales. Once you're done, you're good to go. Thank you.